These are the 5 best Air Jordan 1s you can buy right now for under retail. Buy these Air Jordan 1s now before it's too late. I'm giving away a pair of UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is hit that like button, smash that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the More family, leave a comment down below, let me know your size in the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1. Then give me a follow on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck. This giveaway ends in about 3 weeks, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in on a free pair of UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. Thanks Outrank brand for sponsoring today's video. Outrank brand is an amazing clothing brand. They make t-shirts, shorts, hats, a whole bunch of clothing to match every sneaker you have. Every release, they have a new clothing drop. The tee I'm wearing in today's video is for the Air Jordan 2 UNC lows that just dropped. However, this blue, this UNC blue is gorgeous. It's embroidered on and it goes perfect with the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. Outrank brand will also have its own collection for the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1. Every sneaker that releases, Outrank brand drops clothing and their tees are so comfortable. I absolutely love them. They fit true to size. Great form fitting, and they have great designs to match our sneakers. Sneakerheads, you guys are going to want to check out Outrank brand for your tees, your clothes, your shorts, hats, a bunch more from Outrank brand. Make sure you guys check them out, link down below, and use my promo code DannyMoore at checkout for 10% off your entire order. You guys are going to see me wear Outrank brand in a bunch of videos from here on out. I absolutely love their t-shirts. They're so comfortable, quality is great, and they're very affordable. Check them out with the link down below in the description. If this first pair of Air Jordan 1s released a few years ago during the hype and prime of the Air Jordan 1, these would be reselling for much over retail. However, they're not at all. They're under retail, and it's one of the best Air Jordan 1s out there for well under retail. The Air Jordan 1 Lucky Green. We have a black toe color blocking just with green instead of red. Quality's pretty decent. These do fit true to size, and these are a great colorway for the summer. And if you're a Boston Celtics fan, this is perfect. If you love anything green, this is definitely a good cop for under retail. Down the line, it will take time, years down the line, but I do see these becoming a sought-after Air Jordan 1 one day. It will take time, but it's very, very slept on right now. And for under retail, you can't go wrong with the Lucky Greens. And they come with a special box. Next up, we have an OG Air Jordan 1. Yeah, you heard me right, an OG, which is crazy. An OG going for under retail, it's really unheard of. The Air Jordan 1 women's exclusive court purple. These Air Jordan 1s are an OG colorway, believe it or not. These are very basic white. You got the purple that is bright. It does stand out. It does have this shine effect to it. I think they're clean. The one thing that does suck about these really bad is they only go up to a 10.5 in men's. So that's it. That's the sizing range, which does suck, but it is a very, very good pair of Jordan 1s that's well under retail. These are nowhere near retail right now. It's a great OG Air Jordan 1, and it's wearable. Once again, another great summer shoe. These are very, very clean and heavily slept on for an OG. Yes, these were released in 1985, along with a bunch of other Air Jordan 1s, this metallic pack, where you have white as the primary color, and then you do have one shade of color to make up the swoosh, the back heel. So yes, these are an OG. We have the Royal Jordan 1, but this Air Jordan 1, they kind of flip-flop the colors. The blue's not the same, but this is a very good pair of Jordan 1s. The Air Jordan 1 High OG Dark Marina Blue. This is a great pair. If you don't have the Royals, these are like the next best thing, the next closest thing that's well under retail. They're not going to break the bank at all. These do fit true to size. Quality is not great. The leather could be a little bit better, but it's not bad nonetheless. I do like the colorway. The color blocking's cool. It's a good pair of Jordan 1s. Don't sleep. Under retail, on a black and blue Jordan 1 that's very similar to an OG, just with a little twist and spin to it, it's a good pair. When you look at Jordan releases as a whole, we don't get a lot of black and blue Air Jordans, to be honest. Not in my opinion. We do get them, but not a lot. And when we do, sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. I think the Dark Marina Blues, look-wise, are a hit. We have another sleeper, big time sleeper that you can get for like $120, $130, which is great. A great deal for a black, red, and white Air Jordan 1. They gave us the hype version, the pair that goes for thousands, with the Travis Scott Fragment High. Well, we have the general release version with red instead of blue, the Heritage Air Jordan 1s. These have released a while ago, and it's still crazy to me to see them be well under retail. These have not gone up, they've only went down. It's a really good cop. It's a great shoe if you would like to customize your Air Jordan 1s. You could turn these into so many different shoes. It's absolutely crazy. Just take some paint and go to work on them. But if you want to keep them how they are, it's a very clean, wearable Air Jordan 1. Listen, black, red, white, high OG with Nike Air. They come with a special box. Listen, it's a good pair that's well under retail, heavily slept on, and a very good pair. I need to go back and pick these up myself. The Travis Scott Fragment Highs are thousands of dollars. They're blue, and this time we just have red on the Heritage. I don't see why they're so slept on. It's a good pair of Jordan 1s. I like these a lot. And we have probably the most wearable Air Jordan 1 in this entire video, a recent release. These are going for just under retail, about retail. The Air Jordan 1 washed black. Very good pair. Very good, very wearable for the summertime, for the spring, the fall. It doesn't really matter. It's a good all-year shoe. And in my opinion, these are better than the Hyper Royals. These are better than the washed pinks. Any Air Jordan 1 with that type of look to it, I think these top it all off. These are the best ones that are going for slightly under retail, and who knows, as time goes on, they could go down even more. This is a definitely wearable pair of Jordan 1s. You got the black outsole, once again, another special box, not the normal Jordan 1 box. These are slept on, and definitely one of the best Jordan 1s to release all year, in my opinion. Easily top 5 Air Jordan 1s of this year, no doubt. If you're looking for a Jordan 1 to wear heavily, you don't care too much about them, you just want to wear them, you want to have a high OG on your feet, you want to look good, you want to be able to match a lot of outfits, don't sleep on the wash black. It's a good pair that's slightly under retail right now, and this is a very good pair of Jordan 1s overall. You can't go wrong with the wash black. Make sure you guys check out Outrank brand with the link down below in the description. Go get yourself 10% off your entire order using my code DannyMoore. Outrank brand has the best tees that match your sneakers perfectly. Every new shoe, there's a new drop to go with it. They're very limited, they sell out very fast. So make sure you guys are on top of it and get yourself some Outrank brand gear ASAP. Thank you, Outrank brand, for sponsoring today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.